Hey, what's up guys? I'm back here today to do another review. Today we'll be taking a look at the EasyMocs. Um, I got these just yesterday. Um, Ordered about 3.5 weeks ago. It's about a 3-week lead time. I think what they do is you put in an order, they make it right then. Um, Pretty impressive. It's made in the USA, made in Maine. It's a company that just runs out of a small garage. It's kind of pretty cool story for these days, right? So anyway, without further ado, I'm gonna just show you this unboxing. To be honest, I didn't wait till I got this yesterday. I'm not waiting till now. I opened it yesterday, but giving you the unboxing experience. All right. So these are the honey pull-up leather. It's called the EasyMoc buckle. Okay. So what you see here, there's an EasyMoc. The original version had like actually laces. It's kind of like Camp Moc lacing with 360-degree lacing. This is the second iteration that came out. It's the buckle. They had this for a different company. Immediately, the buckle appealed to me. I thought it was the perfect kind of loungewear, mule slip-on for these times when, just everyone's lounging or working from home. Just a little bit about the shoe. You see here, it's hand sewn, moccasin construction, looks awesome. So a little close up, you can see this leather, this honey pull-up leather by Crazy Horse Leathers. You can kind of think of it as Chrome XL by Horween. I went back and forth with Greg, the owner, on sizing. These are 8.5s. For reference, by browning device, I'm about between 8.5 and 9 on length, and between a D and an E in width. And with these, they were a little bit tight when I first put them on. After about half hour, they started molding to the feet. Right now, they're super comfortable. One day later, I've been wearing them for quite a few hours. Here you got the Vibram or the Vibram camp soles. They're Vibram, you know they're going to be durable. They're resolable, really key. Altogether, now this leather is like supposed to develop a really nice patina over the years. So I'm looking forward to wearing it for a long time. Let's try them on. So here they are, buddy. You like them too? So here we got them on. They're the perfect slip-on, classy, traditional looking, like moccasin, mock toe, just for 3 seasons. I wanted to say just for summer. They're great for taking your dog for a walk, getting the newspaper. I mean, who really gets a newspaper in the mail these days, but just throwing out analogies. Great for taking a walk around the neighborhood. Honestly, these look nice enough to go out, walk along the boardwalk, go to Target, go to the store. They're really comfortable. They got the Ortho Light footbed, so immediately, definitely you feel the comfort in the foot sole. Altogether, just an awesome shoe. I look forward to wearing it for years, literally. It's resolable, so the more it breaks in, the more it becomes your slipper, and you can just take it to a cobbler, or even better yet, send it back to EasyMoc, ask for a resole. Hopefully, one day soon they'll come back with the Chrome Pack sole, which is leather sole, which is like, I heard, super comfortable. Anyway, if you like the video, please subscribe. If you like the look, check it out on EasyMocs. Great customer service, at least my experience with it. They recently raised the price by about $15 from the time I got it. Well worth it though. All right.